Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you, sir?
I am great. How about you, sir?
Yeah, I am good now.
What's your name?
My name is Abu Shama Mundal.
Abu Shama?
Abu Shama Mundal.
Abu Shama Mandal.
Yeah.
Where are
What's
you
your
from,
name?
brother? Well, myself, Arif.
Yeah, I see your YouTube channel. So I many days I watch your video.
Yes, I see.
Yeah.
Yes. Where are you from, sir?
So I am from India, state in Assam. So now I live in Kuwait. Do you know
You
Kuwait?
live in Kuwait. Yes, I know
Yeah.
Kuwait, in Gulf country.
Yeah. I'm working in Kuwait.
You're working in Kuwait.
Yeah.
What you working in Kuwait? What you are working?
Yeah, before I am working as a driver, so it's now it's different. Is a driver is a close is a corona uh, because in corona after I now as I'm working in shop.
You're working in a shop.
Yeah,
Okay, what kind of a job you are doing in a shop?
sorry.
What you are working? What's your job in the shop? What's your job in the shop? What you do exactly in a shop? It's a mall or a small shop? What is exactly? What is this? Shop means what? A
Yeah,
mall,
it's a small job.
a small shop.
Yeah, it's a small
Yeah.
shop. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are a cashier or you are a storekeeper? What you are? What you do?
No, it's sometimes I'm working inside and sometimes I doing delivery
Yes.
everything. Yeah,
You do delivery. Delivery in a four wheeler or a two wheeler?
yeah,
How is
yeah.
in a four?
It's a two-wheeler now.
It's a two wheeler.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's two wheeler is allowed in Kuwait.
yeah, it's allowed, no problem.
Yes. I see. I
Yeah,
see.
two-wheeler is a have a license and number plate, everything.
I see.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Okay, tell me
Yeah.
something about yourself, Mr. Mondal. Tell me something about yourself.
So, sir, my is very difficult. How to talk to you? I don't have idea.
Come on, tell me anything. Whatever you want to know, tell me anything. Whatever you say. Okay, tell me something about your job. Since how long have you been working in a Kuwait or as a shop? Since how long?
Yeah, I'm working in Kuwait since I think 1 year, 7 months.
1 year, 7 months.
Yeah, 1 year, 7 months.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Before Kuwait, what you do in India? Before Kuwait, what you do in India, Mr. Mondal?
Not any doing, just I'm studying.
You are studying.
Study.
You are studying.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I'm doing studying after I don't didn't get any job and any purpose, and then I visit in Kuwait. Yeah.
Yes. So who tell you? Who told you that to go and get a job? Who give you a job in Kuwait? How did you get the job in Kuwait?
Yeah, it's my friend.
Your
He
friend.
he sent me a visa after I visited in Kuwait.
I see.
Yeah.
So how's Kuwait, Mr. Sham? You like Kuwait? How's the people?
Yeah, yeah, I like in Kuwait. So then Kuwait now is very hot. Then I some problem.
Yeah. What problem? Tell me. What is the problem?
Now is Kuwait is temperature is very hot.
Okay. What is the temperature now?
Uh, yesterday I see temperature is 48.
Sorry, 48.
Yeah, yesterday temperature is 48. I see. I see.
Oh my God, it's too hot.
Yeah,
It's too
it's
hot.
too hot. Yeah,
Yes, it's a scorching hot.
yeah. It's
Yes,
a
yes,
uh, yeah, it's a very problem in that Gulf country is a very hot.
yes, yes. I
I
see.
know. I didn't know in others Gulf country how many percentage temperature in hot. So I think is Kuwait is very hot.
Yes, yes, I see.
Yeah,
Okay, that's English.
yeah, yeah. Because otherwise I don't know anything. So because I love to learn English.
Why? But there is some reason behind you will love to learn English.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, so,
Everybody looks dumb. Everyone has a reason.
yeah,
Everyone has a reason to learn English. Somebody wants a job. Somebody wants promotion. Somebody wants to go out of the country. You know.
yeah,
So
yeah,
what's your uh, purpose to learn English?
yeah. So because I am learn to English after I want an exam in IELTS. You know
You want to?
IELTS?
Yes, yes, yes. I know IELTS. So
Yeah,
you want to give some IELTS. You're preparing for IELTS.
yeah. I'm preparing for IELTS. That's I because I am learn English.
That's why you are learning English.
Yeah.
Because of you want to prepare for IELTS. Okay, why you want to prepare for IELTS? Where you want to go?
I don't know. So I think I want to go visit it in different country.
You want to visit different countries as a
Yeah.
tourist or what? Why you want to visit different countries? As a tourist, as for a working purpose.
No, no, no. I as a work purpose. I didn't visit in tourist.
Yes, okay, for the
Yeah.
work purpose. Okay. Which
Yeah.
country you would like? America? Where you want to
America, I think so. America get visa is a very hard. I think that's why
go? Yes,
yeah, that's why I like to visit in Canada and Australia and UK. That's
yes, yes.
yeah.
Okay, Canada, Australia, and UK. Which one you prefer more? Most, which is you prefer? What country you prefer most? America, like Canada, England, or Australia?
Yeah, I don't know about more than so. I think Canada is a very perfect country.
Canada is a perfect country.
Yeah, Canada
Yes.
is a very perfect country. It's a big country. Population is a very low.
Mhm.
That's why I think yeah.
Yes. How did you know Canada is a good country? Someone tell you? Someone told you?
Yeah, Canada. I have a friend. Sometimes he call me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he is working in Canada, Saskatchewan.
Yeah, he's working in Canada.
Yeah,
So, you will contact him too. That he will call you in Canada, isn't it? You want to go like that, the way you want to go.
yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah.
that's great.
Yeah.
That's that's great.
That
Yes.
yeah, that's why I learn English. So
Mhm.
yeah, that's time first I need to in most of need to in IELTS. So I think I without IELTS didn't get in Canada visa.
Yes, yes, you're right. You're right. You are right. How you learning English, Mr. Cham? How you learning English? How you learning English? By reading, by practicing, or by listening? How you reading?
Yeah,
How you learn? What is your
yeah.
method?
Now I'm many purpose. So sometimes I'm reading, sometimes writing, sometimes speaking.
Mhm.
Uh, some people, yeah,
Yes, yes. Okay,
yeah.
which is the best way? Which is the best way to learn English? Reading, writing, or speaking? What do you think?
So I think for me, I understand reading and writing. Just I'm didn't understand and how to speak with people.
Yes, yes. You
Face
don't know
to
how
face.
to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the reason. Yeah.
But you are speaking now. You are speaking now with me. You know.
I think I don't know very well.
Yeah. It means you are a beginner. You are a learner.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm watched in many video YouTube channel and your video. So you are very clearly speak in English.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I didn't speak in clearly.
Yes, yes, yes. I see.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Same
So
to you.
you
Yeah.
want to learn same like me.
No, no, no. You are
Yeah.
very speak English. So I didn't.
But you can, brother. If you will try, you can. It's not big deal.
Yeah.
If you will try hard, you can.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm right now. I'm try to. So then I am different. Different. So I'm working in Kuwait, and time is different. I didn't get time. I'm working in 14 to 15 hours. I'm working.
You are working 14 to 15 hours.
So 14 to 15 hours per day.
Why? Why?
It's a shop is very difficult working.
But you know the rule is 12 hours. The rule is
Yeah.
8 hours or 12 hours.
Yeah. Rule
You
is
know.
12 hours. Yeah.
Yes, rule is 12 hour or 8 hour. After 8 hour, you will get extra overtime. But
Yeah.
there is no rule. There is no rule to work
No.
more than 12. What about your
Yeah.
health? What about your health? If something happens to your health,
Yeah,
who gonna take?
I think it's a no problem. So before no problem. Right now it's problem. Right now it's hot. I didn't working and easily. That's the problem. So every day I will get time, sleep time. I think 7 hours.
And what about your personal grooming that you wanted to go taking a bath, doing brush? You know, there are so many things like washing clothes,
Yeah.
cooking food. Who will do for you? Who is doing for you?
It's I'm working with three people in another one peoples and um, do in food
Yes, yes, I
food
see.
and everything. Yeah.
Yes, great, great, great. So how do you communicate with your customer, Mr. Sham? How do you communicate with your customer? You're communicating with them in Arabic or in English?
No, no,
With your
it's Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah.
Why don't you talk with them in English? Why don't you talk with them in English instead of Arabic?
It's Arabic. In this country, people's many people didn't know in English. Every people speak in Arabic.
Yes, I see. So
Yeah.
do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic?
Yes, I can.
Yes. So how did you learn Arabic, Mr. Sham?
It's very difficult. So I first of all I visited in Kuwait
Mm-hmm.
after 5 and 6 days maybe. So
Yes.
I'm visitors in anything and any I see shop how to talk to people. I see after I'm doing so every times visited in Kuwaiti people. So I ask to slowly after I understand. It's no
Yes.
problem. So then I didn't get in English speaking people.
Yes. That's the
Yeah,
reason. That's the reason you
that's
can
the
speak
reason.
Arabic. You cannot speak English properly.
Yeah,
That's the reason behind that. That we didn't get this, environment. We
yeah,
didn't get environment. That's the reason behind that. That if you will get the environment, you can speak English as well, better
yeah,
than Arabic. Yeah,
yeah.
I
So
see.
I think every time visited in this country people. So every time I talk to there, then I understand. I know in Arabic. I think
Mhm.
3 and 4 months Arabic clear. I understand.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So,
And but
so
not.
that's same, yeah, that's same in every people speak in English and visited my shop. then I clearly understand in English because
Yes,
didn't get people
yes,
in
yes, yes.
yeah,
So you have an Arabic environment, not in English.
not English. Yeah,
Yes, yes, I see, I see.
yeah. So
That,
that's why I'm sometimes I'm watch video, cambly video, and your video. Sometimes
mm,
I correction in Google
yes,
translator. Yeah.
yes, yes,
sometimes sometimes I watch movie. That's why I'm understand in English.
yes, yes, I see. Great, 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 sir, great. You are doing great job. God bless you. And when you will go Canada? Do you have decided any time when you will go Canada or when you will go for IELTS test? Do you have any certain time?
I don't have any idea. So I think it's a summer vacation is finished after it's a hard. I think 4 and 5 months finish after I uh, go to an exam in IELTS.
Yes, yes, I see.
Yeah.
Great.
IELTS, I will get IELTS certificate after I will apply in Canada visa. How to go?